All right. Well, what is going on? Axial Yeti XL, Axial Yeti 1/10, Vanquish VS 410. Now, what's going on? Well, it's a bit of a story. That's why I've got my coffee. So, what I want to do, guys, is I want to start doing something outside more. So, I am going to buy myself an electric skateboard. I've been waiting for the industry to develop to a point at which I personally find it interesting. Taking a sip of coffee. So long story short, a couple of my RCs have to go in order to fund a skateboard project. So these three are the three that I've chosen, and I'm going to put it to you, my loyal subscribers on YouTube. If you are interested in any one of these RCs, and I am going to do an overview of each one of them now. If you are interested in either a axial 8S Axial Yeti XL or a Vanquish VS 410 or a standard, not standard at all, but an Axial Yeti 1/10 custom build from Unrooted RC, please drop a note in the comment section below. And genuinely leave me an email or something, and I will email you back, or a number, and I will SMS you back, and we can chat it through. These three trucks will go on eBay at some point this week, so I'm leaving it up to you guys for 24 hours or so before they go on eBay for you guys to decide whether you want to consider owning one of these bad boys. So firstly, the Axial Yeti. As you can see, these are aftermarket licensed wheel and tires, rock crusher wheels with Dick, what's his name? Dick CPEC wheels. They're super lightweight. I wanted proper beads, but super lightweight bead locks, which is why I went with that one. We've got a Proline little bar in the front and a very nice gear heads. This is super rare. Gear heads, light bar and roof rack at the top. In the front end, we are running on all four corners the stock shock bodies, but with the aluminium upper and lower machined shock caps and spring retainers from, what's the name of the guy? He's a guy who does a load of cool machining parts. I forget his name. I must remember them. And then we've got some really nice C-hubs and steering arms. These, I believe, are I think they're Axial. I think they're from Axial. We are running the aftermarket A-arms. I'm not doing very well, from RPM, and a GPM rear, GPM lower, I guess, I don't know, some kind of scratch plate, whatever. This is actually a bit that needs to be replaced in a stock one, because the original one was made out of, I don't know, cake or something. I did the carbon fiber myself here and on there, and it is the body itself I've just chopped at the back. It's got a green military coating, and the rear end we are running all hot racing. I don't know what these things are called, the bits on the end of the axle, and a brace across the middle of the axle. Again, the uprated shocks, the Axial uprated upper links and hot racing lower links, hot racing drive shaft, and then there is quite a bit of magic that goes on underneath. Proline body posts, Proline body posts, he says. Goodness me, trying to go through everything. Hot racing front shock tower, a GPM top chassis plate, running a big 40 kilogram servo in there. That is, yes, that is a Max 5 squeezed in with a full spectrum, with a huge spectrum 8S capable motor. All of the gears inside the gearbox are all HD gears and HD drive line throughout. Hot racing rear sway bar, a custom actually it's a hot racing alloy brace in here with a custom bit of carbon fibre for extra rigidity, and a hot racing brace at the top here, and some GPM braces on the top of the shock mounts there. So it is bulletproof. It will come with the original box. It's basically as new. I have run it in the garden once, as you can see. There's not a scratch on it, basically. Always tell at the bottom here if they've been run. So that's basically as new, guys, and that will go on eBay this week. Or if you want to make me a fair offer, and I mean it has to be fair, I don't want anyone wasting my time, please let me know. I will do the other two cars in separate videos, so hang on if you want to see the Vanquish VS 410 next. Peace.